Okay, here you go, equipment part 2, 10, 26, and 47. It's still me. So as I mentioned, Rogue operator bar. I've got everything taped off here, just inside the knurling at 31.5. So we're below the 31.9 standard that was there. So you can see inside tape all the way down, and we are right at 31.5, which is what I was targeting. So the collars, my rack, bench, belt, laptop with time is open, 2 35-pound Rogue plates right here, 4 45-pound plates, Rogue bumpers plates there, the change plates, the PRX 10-pound plates, and the 4 25-pound Rogue plates. So what I've learned is these are slightly off. So just for good measure, we're going to total everything up here. We're going to weigh these plates. And I'm sad to say that the PRX plates over the mil-spec bumper plates from Rogue appear to be more precise on the weight. But nonetheless, here we go. So I will you should be able to see me do this, and I'll pick it up and we'll write them down. Okay, so we'll go with the PRX plates first. 0 to the scale, and I'm going to put the change plates on there too, so they'll register. Oh, I got to pull it off a little bit here. Okay, we are at right where we should be, 55 pounds, 54.9, right there for the 4 tenders and the change plates. Okay, so we'll remove those. And we've got accuracy, so 10s, 4 by 10 equals 40, and then 5 plus 2.5 pound plates. We are right at the 55 pounds that we should be. It was 54.9. Okay, now we'll do the 25 pound plates individually from the Rogue plates. So 24.3 on that plate. Okay, that one there, 0 here, 24.3. Let's let it 0 again. Let me get it. 24.3. Okay, it's odd. And then the last one here, 24.3. So 4 by 24.3. 4 by 25 at 24.3 each. So I can actually get the precise weight later. Leave that pin there. All right, let's see. Now we'll do the 45 pound plates here. So plate number uno. $42.2. Okay, so 45.1 equals 42.2. That's really interesting. So let's go 45.2, 45.3, 45.4, just so we know what the total cumulative weight is. I'm not worried about it. I'll be well over the 1,000-pound mark, where these small differences won't be affected. We can use the standard summation of plate, and we'll see that one's 44.1, it looks like. Yep, 44.1. Okay. 44.1. All right, here's the next one. If I can get them to stop from rolling. $44.1 on that one as well. 44.1. And then the last one here. Let's try laying it down, see what happens. Ooh, there we go. That's even more weird. 42.8. Let's see. I think it's my scale, probably, maybe more so than this. Let's try a different angle where it won't roll. Maybe the mil-spec bumpers are mil-spec, they're not precise. I don't know if that's what that means. Okay, that one's saying 42.8. So 42.8. So we've got a 42.2, 44.1, 44.1, 42.8. Close enough. We'll be well over 1,000, so it won't matter. And then my two 35s here. Okay, so shut off. Let's reset. Whoa, don't roll. 34.4 is what that's showing. 34.4 for my 35. So 35 number one is 34.4. And then my last 35 here, I bet it's going to be the same. Let's see. That is 0. Okay. And yep, 34.4 it is. Okay, so 35 number 2 is also 34.4. So using the standard summation based on what the plates are saying, I'll be close. Within we'll actually do the actual math once I get the list completed, and I'll put that in the notes on the submission. But you can see I'm going by myself, so I don't have spotter, so I'm going to do weights that I know I can generally do very easily to break that 1,000-pound threshold. I'm going to shoot first attempt 225, 375 on squat, 415 on deadlift. Depending on how it feels after I do that 225, I may shoot for 250. 375 may go to 405 on a second attempt, and then deadlift. If I hit 415, I've broken that 1,000. So at that point, even if I just do these. So this would be a little cushion on that, which I hit that 2 days ago, so I kind of know I should be good. So again, so now it's 10:35:22, again, April 8th. Just wanted to show all my equipment because the video submission standards were kind of a little bit unclear on the solo at home thing. So just showing my setup here. I've got all the plates that I own sitting right there. We just weighed them all. My barbell, obviously clearly shown. I'll show that again in the bench video submission. Time is, I think I've got everything. So I'll move the scale out of the way, see my plates, and then I will do a quick warm up, get up close to where I want to be, and start working on the individual max lifts for submission. So to close this video out on part 2 of my equipment review, we're at 10:36:17, April 8th. Of course, my time doesn't start officially until I do that bench press. So there we go. All right.